All right, listen to this. If you're into superbikes and you want something that feels sharp, fast, and seriously connected to the road, the 2026 Kawasaki Ninja ZX-10R is one of those machines that instantly gets your attention. The first thing you notice is the design. It's aggressive, low, and very race-focused. You've got those aerodynamic winglets, that sharp front look, and overall, it just screams performance without even moving. It's the kind of bike that looks fast even when it's standing still. Now, when you actually get into the performance side of things, this is where the bike really starts to shine. It's powered by a 998cc inline-4 engine, and the way it delivers power is honestly addictive. It's smooth at lower speeds, so you can ride it normally without any issues, but the moment you open the throttle, it just takes off. The top-end power is where it really hits hard, and that's what gives you that proper superbike feel. At the same time, it's not unpredictable. The throttle response is clean and controlled, which makes it easier to manage even if you're not riding flat out all the time. Handling is another area where this bike feels really impressive. It's tight, stable, and very confident in corners. When you lean into a turn, it holds its line perfectly, and you don't feel like you have to fight the bike. It just goes where you want it to go. That kind of control makes a big difference, especially if you enjoy riding on twisty roads or pushing a little harder. The suspension setup is on the stiffer side, but that actually works in its favor because it gives you a lot of feedback and keeps the bike planted. Braking performance is also strong and reliable. You get smooth and controlled stopping power, and the bike stays stable even when you brake hard. It gives you confidence, and that's exactly what you want from a high-performance machine like this. When it comes to technology, you're getting everything you need. Traction control, riding modes, launch control, and cornering ABS. The TFT display is clear and easy to use, so you can quickly adjust settings without any confusion. Nothing feels complicated, and that's a big plus. The riding position is definitely sporty. You're leaned forward, and it feels like a proper race bike, but it's still manageable. You can ride it for a decent amount of time without feeling completely uncomfortable, which makes it usable beyond just short, aggressive rides. And once you're actually riding it, everything just comes together. The acceleration, the handling, the braking, it all feels precise and controlled. The bike feels alive, but not in a scary way. It actually builds your confidence the more you ride it, and that's what makes it so enjoyable. So overall, the 2026 Kawasaki Ninja ZX-10R is a serious performance machine. It's fast, it's sharp, and it delivers a riding experience that feels connected and rewarding. If you're someone who enjoys precision, speed, and that true superbike feel, this is definitely a bike worth checking out.